Yeah, hi Sherry. This is Paul from England. This is Ernest's sponsor in Pool Funding. I'm going to try and do a quick video that might help with connecting your or setting up at least your Matamask wallet. So I don't know if you have one already. First thing you need to do is to add the Matamask wallet to your browser. And of course, if you're using Chrome browser, that's by far and away the most highly recommended browser to use. It's very easy to add the MetaMask wallet to the browser. When you do, you'll see that you have your little MetaMask icon, which is the little fox icon at the top there. So in order to get that, first thing you need to do is to add MetaMask to your browser. And the way that you do that, if you haven't already, is that you go to the three dots at the top here. We go down to extensions, click on manage extensions. That takes us to a brand new tab. You can see that we've still got the Pool Funding tab open there. So this brand new tab is where we want to be for the time being. And then we're going to search extensions. So we're going to search MetaMask. So that will find one that's on your browser already. But if you haven't got it on your browser already, then you need to go to the Chrome Web Store and search MetaMask. And there it is. And you can see that for me, I already have it installed. If it's not installed, don't install this one. This is something completely different. This is development build, which is way beyond what we need. But you'll have that button there if you don't already have the MetaMask wallet installed. So this is the one that you want, of course. You just click install there, and it will pop up initially on your browser with a little icon there. It'll probably pop up down this end here, and then it will actually disappear. And the reason for that is that you then have to select it and pin it to your browser. And the way that you do that is through this little icon here, this odd little sort of jigsaw puzzle thing. Click on that, and then you want to select or find MetaMask. There it is. And this pin symbol will be unfilled like this one. It will be transparent. And if it is transparent, it will be, because if you've just added it, it most likely will be. And so you just click on it, and you'll see that the MetaMask wallet will appear. In fact, let me demonstrate that a little better, because I will deselect the MetaMask wallet and keep your eye on that little fox face there, and you'll see that it will disappear. So if I deselect that, you see how it disappears. I select it again and it reappears, but it reappears down here. You can grab it and put it anywhere along that line that you want to. So I like to have mine right at the end there. So once you have the wallet installed, you go into the wallet. You'll need to set up a password, etc. to do that. And one thing I want to point out is very, very important. You want to be on the Binance Smart Chain. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. So you set up an account and then you log in. And this is where it's most important to make sure that you're on the Binance Smart Chain. If you click this little icon in the top left, you'll see you have various options. So it will default, when you first open it, it will probably say Ethereum mainnet. As you can see, there are a number of options, lots of them, but you want to be on the Binance Smart Chain. You may have to search that, so you may have to do BNB in the top there, or Binance. There we go. So you just search it and you select that. So you need to make sure that that little icon is visible, and when you hover over it, it says Binance Smart Chain, or it could say BNB Chain or BEP20. Either any one of those is absolutely fine. Some wallets describe it slightly differently. So Binance Smart Chain, BEP20 or BNB, they're all the same. Once you're set up, once it's open, then the next thing you need to do is open a brand new account. So whatever you might see at the top here, you're going to click on that, and you're going to click on Add Account or Hardware Wallet, Add New Ethereum Account. So even though we're using Binance Smart Chain, it is technically a new Ethereum account, because the BNB Smart Chain is based on the Ethereum contract. So we're going to click that. We're going to give it a name. So we probably put Sherry, and you want to have no spaces when you put a name in here, because it becomes your username. So we could do Sherry and then PF perhaps for Pool Funding. And then once we've got that in there with no spaces, we can click Add Account. Now we have a brand new account. And at this point, the next thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to add some BNB to this account. The BNB is the token that's used for gas. So in other words, it's the payment system for all transactions within this wallet. So it's very important to have that, and that'll be the first thing that you'll need to upload. you won't be able to do any transactions or anything at all without having BNB in there. So it's not going to allow us to do anything at all until we have funded the wallet with BNB. So once we have BNB in there, what you'll find, if I show you my account, these are the other tokens that you'll need to have in there. You'll need to have the Tether USD token. And again, when you select it, you want to be sure that the USDT that you are selecting has this symbol on it and is this shape. Because USDT is available on a number of different networks and they're all slightly different. And so you need to have the correct one. So once you have the Tether in your account after adding BNB, so first you add BNB, then you'll be adding Tether, and then you'll be adding the PFI and the PFB, which are the two tokens that are available and created for and by this new system called pool funding. I think that's as far as we need to go. So that will allow you to set up a wallet, and then we'll be able to walk you through these steps just on a short call prior to you actually joining pool funding. But if you can add some BNB to your wallet, you can actually buy BNB through Matamask. So buy and sell, there's that little button there. That will open the full Matamask wallet. And you could make a purchase. So here you'll need to change these to Australian dollar if they're not already saying Australian dollar. So both of these will need to change. So AUD. Obviously it's not coming up for me because I'm not in that region. It's recognizing what region I'm in. So that won't select that one, but it should do for you. Likewise here, Australian dollar. So yeah, so whatever region you're in, it should populate that automatically. Just make sure both of those are on AUD. And the amount that you want to add to your account will depend on your strategy. But if you want to buy guaranteed signups from the company, you're going to need around $300 in total to set up your account. Make sure down here, this is the BNB account or the BNB token that you're purchasing. So it was already set on that, but I'm just demonstrating. If it's not set there, you can select it. So again, go into that, do the search, and there it is. And then you can choose how you want to pay from these options here. And once you've made that selection, then you make your purchase over here. These are all different providers, and so each one will give you a quote, and it will walk you through a process of making the purchase from one of these providers. Once you've got BNB in your account, you can close this tab and go back to your Matamask wallet. To do that, you click on the little fox icon at the top here. You should then see within your account, which we created there. This is just for an example. This obviously will not be accessible to you. This is an account set up just as a demonstration, but you will have this in your wallet. And then once you've made your purchase, it will show up here. That is your wallet address at the top there. So as you can see, it says copy to clipboard when you hover over it. So it's very important to have that, copy that before you go ahead and purchase your BNB or any other tokens inside of the Matamask wallet or anywhere else for that matter. So this is the account that you want all of your coins to be directed to. Once you have your BNB set up, then we can help you go from there because it's very simple from there. Thanks. Bye for now.